Imagine waking up just 14 days from now, living the reality you once only dreamed of. What if I told you that you have the power to bring your biggest desires into existence faster than you ever thought possible? Manifestation isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what you truly want. In this video, I'll walk you through a powerful 14-day manifestation method that has transformed lives. So let's begin with the first 3 days of your manifestation, and that is get crystal clear on your desires. First, get specific about what you want. The universe responds to clarity. Instead of saying, I want more money, you can say, I am attracting $10,000 by the end of the June. Write it down. Visualize it in detail. What does it look like, feel like, smell like? The clearer you are, the stronger the manifestation. Next, your manifestation between day 4 and 7, and that is align your energy. Your emotions create your reality. Every morning, practice gratitude. Speak affirmations like, I am worthy of success, and surround yourself with positivity. You can listen to uplifting music, read inspiring books, and remove negativity from your life. The goal is to stay in a high vibration. Next, we're going upward, and that is between day 8 and 11 of your manifestation, and that will be take inspired action. Manifestation requires action. If you want a new job, update your resume and apply for a new job. If you want financial abundance, start learning about money management. The universe rewards those who move toward their goals. And the last manifestation between day 12 and 14 is surrender and trust. Let go of doubt and trust the process. Detach from the how I'm going to do it and when I'm going to do it, and believe that what you desire is already making its way to you. Try this 14-day method and watch how your magic unfolds. At the end of this video, you can learn the principles of the law of the attraction and how to apply them to manifest your biggest dreams and desires with my full manifestation guide. Click the link in the description of this video and claim your copy today.